Jai Srimannarayana. 23rd sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Seknoti haiva yassodhum praksarira विमोक्षणात् कामक्रोध उद्भवं वेगं सयुक्तः ससुखी नरः। Om. Withstand or control the impulses of emotions like selfish desire and anger through your spiritual practice. At the end of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma, putting the entire essence of Bhagavad Gita together and strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma, as His final message, saying to everyone that come to me, surrender to me alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Responding to Bhagavan is itself a greatest puja, and that brings him so much happiness. Let us say that to Krishna, Hey Bhagavan, Krishna, I shall withstand or control the impulses of emotions like self-desire and anger through my spiritual practice. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुक योगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Rantideva, when he was about to eat whatever the leftover, there comes one person with dogs, and he asks, O Rantideva, I and my dogs, we are all hungry. Can you please give me something? Then Rantideva treated that person and all the dogs as his guests and gave the entire food with so much of respect. Now after that, Paniya Matram Uchesham. Now only some water is there with Rantideva. Only for one person that water is enough. Then when he was about to drink, there comes one Chandala. He asks for water. Can you please give me some water to drink? I am very thirsty. Then Tasyatam Karunam Vacham Nisamya Vipulasramam. The moment Rantideva heard that Chandala's very depressed voice, and immediately he moved to so much of compassion, and now with so much of grace, he is speaking to that Chandala like this. What it is Rantideva is such a great enlightened devotee. He does sees only Sriman Narayana in every entity and in everywhere. That is why his vision doesn't stop with the external form of body. His vision all the way goes and sees Paramatma in everywhere, in every entity. Now such great Rantideva speaking so graceful words to this Chandala like this. What are those words? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnenamarasetravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 23rd sloka. Shaknoti haiva yassodhum praksharira vimokshanat kamakrodhodbhavam vegam sayuktasya sukhi naraha. Shaknoti haiva yassodhum praksharira vimokshanat kamakrodhodbhavam vegam sayuktasya sukhi naraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.